Welcome to Bluestar Money's tutorial on how to complete our personal financial statement, also called a PFS for short. If you want to see a quick overview of what a personal financial statement is and how it can help you, click the link in the top right of your screen right now. In short, it helps you organize your assets and liabilities, calculates your financial net worth, and is one of the most fundamental tools in controlling your finances. You'll need Microsoft Excel installed in your computer to use Bluestar's PFS. To get started, on your computer, go to the file where you saved your PFS after download and open. If you are prompted to enable macros, you will need to do so. This PFS has 5 pages total, 2 pages to input your assets, 1 page to input liabilities, a profile page, and a summary page. The summary page, which we're on right now, breaks down your assets into 8 categories, your liabilities into 4 categories, sums each up here, and the difference between the two is your net worth calculated here. Here's how to navigate the PFS. Each page has an options box in the top left where you can go to any page of the PFS, save, print, or go to Bluestar Money's tutorial video, likely what you're watching now, our website, and our YouTube channel for more helpful personal finance videos. Each subsection under Assets and Liabilities is actually a link to take you to that particular section. Simply click on it like this. Let's go ahead and input some assets. Note that liquid assets are merely assets that can be redeemed or sold quickly, like a checking, savings, or non-retirement investment account, such as for stocks or bonds. Schedule A are liquid assets, and part of Schedule B are also liquid assets, stocks and bonds. Some cells have a small red triangle on the top right indicating that there is a comment in that cell. The comment either shows a title of that section, or a note on how to complete that section, or a Bluestar financial tip relating to that section. If you run out of room, simply click the additional link here in blue. On this page, you can enter many more assets. As we can see, the additional assets are totaled up here. Now let's go back to the previous page. We can see that the additional has carried over here for us, and the grand total is summed up here. Let's input some real estate. If we like, we can enter other assets like cars, jewelry, household goods, things like that right here. Note that you can also enter multiple figures into one cell, like this. Terrific! We've entered assets. Now let's enter some liabilities on Schedules G through I. Schedule G asks for notes payable to banks. A note is simply a loan. We can enter credit cards here. And we can enter notes payable to non-banks here, like a personal loan. Great, we've input our assets and liabilities. Now let's go to the last page of the PFS, the profile page. On the profile page, you can input personal information and some income, which is helpful if you like to use this to apply for a loan or give personal details for different reasons. Let's input the profile page. The date of financial condition is actually very important. It's the date as of all the figures in your personal financial statement. So your credit card balance, your home value, the value of your stocks, checking account, it would be as of, in this example, January 1st, 2024, which might be different than the date that you actually complete this personal financial statement or sign or date it. If you like to fill out these other sections here with your name, address, if you want to print and sign this, you can. Be careful to enter your social security number, but if you want to add that, you certainly can here. Terrific. Now let's see what we've created on the summary page. As you can see, we've totaled up all of our assets into the different categories. Liabilities here on the right side. Each of them are summed up here, and then the difference between the two is our net worth, which is calculated here. Fantastic. Now you know how to calculate your financial net worth and have a solid base to use going forward as you track your assets and liabilities. This will provide you with excellent organization and a foundation to make good financial decisions like paying down debt and increasing assets like liquidity and real estate. Watch your net worth grow. Once you've completed the PFS for the first time, you just need to make updates to it periodically, which is pretty quick. I like to have a record of my prior personal financial statements so I can track my progress and literally see my net worth grow, so I never overwrite an existing PFS when I need to update. Rather, I make a copy of the last PFS, save it as the current date, and then make updates to the new copy, like this. We can see the change in our net worth right here. Very nice. The other critical financial tool is the budget, which tracks your income and expenses and helps guide you on how much you can spend in certain categories, keeping you from overspending and going into unnecessary debt. Check out this video here to see a quick overview of what a budget is and how it can help you. It's a perfect complement to the personal financial statement. By organizing and understanding your assets and liabilities with our personal financial statement and income and expenses with our personal budget schedule, you will understand your finances well and have a solid foundation to make important financial decisions to grow your wealth. In addition to updating my personal financial statement regularly, I also update it each time I'm going to make a big financial decision. It helps me get financially organized and make better financial decisions. If you know anyone looking to get financially organized, please share this video with them. Thanks for watching. Go to Bluestar Money's website to get your personal financial statement, budget model, and other helpful financial tools.